Hello everybody, I'm back. Yes, it's me, HelloCris, after 2 long years. And today I'm bringing you the best brownie recipe ever. A lot has happened this last 2 years, a global pandemic thing happened. And to celebrate that we're still here and we're having fun and we're enjoying life, I decided to bring you a great recipe that once I discovered it, I never went back to any other brownie recipes because it is so great and so delicious and so chocolatey and so fudgy that I love it so much. And I wanted to share it with you. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up so I can keep making videos for you guys. And that's it. Don't forget also to subscribe to my channel, and let's get into the video. So for this recipe you will need 200 grams of dark chocolate, 120 grams of unsalted butter, 120 grams of egg, but if you're like me and you don't calculate eggs in grams, this is basically 2 eggs, 150 grams of dark sugar, 40 grams of flour, and 25 grams of cocoa powder. So the first thing you're going to do is melt your chocolate and butter on a double boiler. This is also called the bain-marie, and in Spanish it's called baño María, which is basically putting water to a boil, putting on a bowl and melting your ingredients in there. This is quite a long process, so keep calm because it takes a while for everything to heat up and melt. And this is how everything looks once it's melted. It's a chocolatey, delicious gooiness of chocolate and butter. Mwah! Chef's kiss. On a separate bowl, we're going to break our 2 eggs, being very careful to not get any eggshells into the mixture. And then we're going to add our brown sugar and mix thoroughly until everything is combined. Now we're going to use the same method we used with the chocolate and butter, and we're going to melt everything together on a double broiler. I didn't have any other large-sized bowls in my house, so I had to use what I could find. And this is quite dangerous, so please try to avoid doing what I did. If you have a large enough bowl, use that one just like we did with the chocolate and butter, so you won't burn your fingers and everything will be super tasty. Once you see that the sugar has melted with the eggs and there's no granule filling into it, you can take it out and just mix it as hard as you can, just so you can beat the eggs and make it super fluffy. And once that is done, you can go ahead and mix your delicious sugar gooiness with your delicious chocolatey gooiness. Once everything is incorporated, just add your flour and cocoa powder to the mixture, and again mix until everything is well combined. And this is a personal favorite of mine. You can just put in anything you like, but I'm going to add some delicious chocolate chips into the mixture. I know it's a lot of chocolate, but I love chocolate, okay? Between you and me, chocolate is amazing. So you can add M&Ms, you can add anything you like, peanuts, I don't know what you put in your brownies, but go ahead because it's going to be delicious, I know. Now with your beautiful chocolatey creation, we're going to put it on a pan that I've previously coated with some baking paper so nothing gets stuck and I get to eat absolutely everything in this mixture. And we're going to put it in there and then it's gonna go in the oven for 23 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. If you're American, please do the math. We're going to spread everything evenly so there's no bumps or lumps and everything gets cooked to perfection. So that's basically it. It's super easy, super fast, and they are delicious. And you can fill them with whatever you want. You can use nuts, you can use chocolates, you can use absolutely anything to fill them. But this video is not over. I'm going to quickly show you how I plated them because it was such a fun process and I learned quite a lot from it. And I wanted to share it with you guys just to give you some ideas on how to present your brownies to everyone you love. So let's get into it. Okay, so I basically did a chocolate egg on a mold and I poked holes of different sizes into it just so you could see the brownie hiding underneath it, and I'm so proud and so excited because it was just such an easy thing that I didn't even know was possible. I just saw it on YouTube and I was like, man, I have to try this. But I love it and I'm so excited to show you because it looks great, amazing, beautiful. And that's it. It's super easy and it looks beautiful. And that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm super happy to finally be back and motivated into doing stuff and sharing stuff with you and finally talking to you again. I'm so excited and I missed you guys a lot, and I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope we see each other very soon. And don't forget to like and comment if you've tried this beautiful recipe, and subscribe so you'll get notified when I upload another fantastic video of my face with a delicious looking recipe or tutorial or who knows. But that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.